Welcome to Building Mastery, Keva Planks for Beginners. This video is designed for elementary educators to explore how simple building blocks can lead to complex learning in the STEAM lab. Our essential question for this video is, what hands-on tools can we use to learn and teach concepts across the curriculum? Keva Planks are cuboid wooden blocks that engage participants in creative building. They strengthen creativity, fine motor skills, physics, and basic engineering skills. Focus on linking simple blocks to complex learning objectives across subjects like math, science, and history. Start simple with towers, build confidence, then introduce specific challenges using the planks as manipulatives for various subjects. Here are some suggestions for establishing rules and expectations for young learners in your lab or classroom. Key rules for Keva planks include: blocks are for building, share with others, only take apart your own creation, clean up when done, and most importantly, have fun. There are also general STEAM class expectations to follow. Using cue words can help signal the start of an activity, encourage creation, and introduce new vocabulary. Examples include builders begin or engineer your ideas. Cue words are also useful for stopping the creative process or transitioning to cleanup. Phrases like macaroni and cheese, everybody freeze, or dismantle the structure. Remember that consistency is key for effective cues. Our learning objectives are for students to create structures, communicate with others, understand math concepts like spatial awareness, and use the planks to build 2D and 3D patterns. The purpose is to construct simple and complex designs. Let's consider this essential question in groups. How can students learn together? Collaboration is a vital skill to develop in the classroom. Students can improve learning significantly by working in pairs. These partnerships create a safe space for trying out ideas, asking questions, and reflecting in real time. Our goal is to build communication skills. Working together on complex structures, such as a Keva plank maze, requires clear and effective communication. Remember to encourage working in pairs for the following activities. Let's begin by focusing on creating 2D structures using the Keva planks. This helps with foundational skills and spatial awareness. Here is an example of a simple 2D structure, like a sun. Try creating something similar. Next, let's explore a collaborative activity called the mirror game. Select a partner and decide who will be partner 1 and partner 2. In the mirror game, partner 1 places planks in a pattern. Partner 2 mirrors that pattern. Then, partner 1 creates a new pattern. Both partners take turns creating structures against a timer, building on each other's work. Play the mirror build game with a partner to enhance communication and spatial reasoning skills. You can also use Keva planks to build polygons and other geometric shapes. This bridges building with mathematical concepts. Now let's transition to building 3D structures. Start with a simple square and challenge yourselves to build a tall tower. For 3D structures, one simple starting point is a tower. This helps students practice stacking and stability. Advanced 3D challenges include creating bridges or arches. These structures introduce concepts of load-bearing and engineering principles. Another complex 3D challenge is creating spirals. This requires precision and a good understanding of balance. Once basic 3D structures are mastered, you can move on to more complicated designs like a Keva plank house or castle. Try building an intricate maze or a complex structure with multiple levels and features. These encourage long-term planning and problem solving. Let's look at some structured lesson plans and Keva plank challenges you can implement in your classroom. The Draw and Build activity challenges students to create both a two-dimensional drawing and a three-dimensional Keva plank structure of the same subject. This emphasizes geometry and design. In the quote, Engineering Natural Resources Challenge, students explore how different groups use local materials to build dwellings. They then use Keva planks as a natural resource to model a dwelling type. We will take time to design and present your creations after a dedicated timer allows for building. Let's take a moment to reflect on your grows and glows. What were you most proud of? Where did you struggle? And what brought you the most satisfaction today?